So you set up some widgets on your Android phone and now you're trying to move them. Moving is easy, but there's one small catch that might cause issues for some users. When I tap and hold a widget, I can edit it. Easy enough. But if I try to move it now, it's not going anywhere. That's because I lifted my finger after doing the long press on it. When you lift your finger, you can change the size of it or use the settings above, but this way you cannot move it, which is kind of confusing to be honest. If I want to move a widget, I'll need to tap, hold, and then drag it without lifting my finger at any point. Then I can place it anywhere on my screen, and if I pull it to the edge of my display, I can even move it across my home screen pages, assuming the page I'm trying to move it to has enough free space. So that's really it. Tap, hold, and drag without letting go. The border around it when you lift your finger makes it seem like the whole widget is quote-unquote editable, but that's not really the case. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.